Ontario's big city mayors say solutions to the homelessness, mental health, and addiction crises should not be funded by municipal tax dollars. Instead, they're calling on the Ford government to step up. Kelly Botello has the details.
Homelessness has never been so apparent in cities across the province.
We actually have over 1,400 encampments across Ontario right now, with over 200,000 people that are homeless.
The big city mayors of Ontario say the encampments, along with mental health and addictions issues, are a crisis that municipalities cannot handle on their own. The group of 29 mayors have started a campaign called Solve the Crisis and have outlined what they need from the provincial government to help.
The problem has exploded, and I think everybody in every community in Southern Ontario has seen since COVID the homelessness problem explode, the drug epidemic explode, the mental health crisis that is gripping our communities now get worse and worse over the last 5 years.
The mayors say funds and supports are needed from the province, so the cost does not fall on property taxpayers.
Property taxes were never meant to go to healthcare issues. That is a provincial jurisdiction.
2.5% of the tax increase that happened last year was directly to pay for housing and homelessness supports. Those things should be paid for by the provincial and federal governments, not by property taxpayers.
Some of the mayor's asks include appointing a minister to be a point of contact and a task force to address the crisis, as well as a commitment to funding services the homeless population requires and providing municipalities with resources to transition those living in encampments to more appropriate supports. Hamilton Mayor Andrea Horwath says the city can't wait for the province to act.
Because the crisis is so bad and it continues to grow, we are building in some of these expenses into our budget, and we're working on that budget right now. So we're not going to wait, but we are going to very clearly demand that those expenses get covered by the provincial and federal governments.
Horwath says the provincial mini-budget is expected by the end of this month and hopes the province works these asks in. The Solve the Crisis campaign will be brought to Hamilton City Council tomorrow for approval. Kelly Botello, CHCH News.